same method to get a webcam geocache. This is one of the most unique. Going to Brocken Mountain for another webcam here on Cache Canada. To the very back of the train, and we can watch everything go away. So now we're waiting for the webcam to refresh. It seems like it's every 10 minutes. We're not sure. We think we saw it at 10:40, and then it refreshed at 10:50. We could see our train had pulled in and some people that we were on the train with. But now we're standing at the spot where the image shows the 4 blocks and a handrail. And we're just waiting in the cold. It's rather cool and misty up here on the mountain, and we're hoping to get the webcam photo and then get back on the train and return back to where we parked. Oh, this is so frustrating. We stood out there for so long waiting, then the train left, and then we had to use facilities. So we walked away, went and used facilities, and it was like 5 after 11, and it hadn't updated the picture. And then we looked, and then we were done. We're just going to go back out and maybe get a snack, and we saw it updated at 11:10. It never updated at 11. Updated while we walked away, and then we were not in the picture. Here it is. It's empty. The train had left, and we missed it. So now we're going to go get a snack, and then hopefully get another photo at 11:20. Because now we're stuck here until the next train gets back. Just finishing our snack, I noticed it was 11:19. We ran down to the camera spot, stood there and waited. Then it updated, 11:20, and we weren't in the picture. Finally, we got it. When did it go? 11:30 or 11? It wasn't?
I don't know. I was just waiting.
Yeah, so it finally took a photo at 11:30, but it was 2 minutes past the time that it was on my phone. So it's like 2 minutes out. So we got it, and we're inside trying to warm back up from near freezing to death. And then it got even worse. Well, you see, we're taking the train back to where we got on, and it stopped about 8 kilometers from our destination. And then they told us that was the end of the line. They were putting the engine on the other end of the train, and they were going to pull away. And the next train that we had to take was 3:10, which was 2 hours from now. So we have to wait 2 hours to get a train, and we've just pretty much we have lost our entire day. So we're going to have to backtrack from our next destination of Prague to get some of the webcams that we were scheduled to get today. So stay tuned. That's coming up probably on the next episode, as I gotta figure out what we're gonna do. We'll see. the challenges of getting webcams. This one was a challenge, I'll tell you. Thanks for watching. Come back again. See, Cache Canada gets more webcams.